buddy. And today I got my birds. Look at them. Okay, both of them. Okay.
What's the name?
Their name is Blue and I think Lisa. What?
Lily.
Lily. Yeah, Lily. I'm sorry to forget. But this is Blue and this is Lisa.
Lily.
I keep forgetting.
Lily.
Lily.
I don't know. It's a cute name for a bird.
Lily. This is Lily and this is Lily and that's Blue. Yee. What you looking at, boy? Huh? What you looking at? What you looking at? Oh God. Sorry, but I'm trying to zoom in. Why can I zoom in? There you go. What's up there, little dude? Oh my God, you're Kung Fu. Where'd he go? Woo! I'm gonna have to hold him. He's driving. That's the end of the video. I'm sorry if it's short, but I'm just showing you my bird. All right. Bye.